Okay, we are in the trade. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Well, I think it came to fill this gap. There's no other gap. There's one gap here. There's one gap here. There was another gap here. It came to fill this gap. This gap is now filled, completed. Now there is one gap here. So let's see if the price directly goes up or it comes at this level and then or what happens. Let's see. If someone has missed the entry, they can use this level to make another entry. Alright, so the level has tapped. Now you guys can enter with the same stop loss. We have the news in next 14 minutes. So make sure we've entered early. Make sure that your stop losses are at breaking. Make sure you have minimum risk in this trade because we can see slippages happening during this time. Right, so previously there was a rejection at this level. So as we see that two candles have closed above this level, I'll wait for this one candle. Oh, see, I'll wait for this one candle. If this candle closes somewhere below this level, like below 302, then I think partial booking or closing the trade will be good. If not, we can wait for the price to hit the target. Let's see, 30 seconds more. Price is trying to create a confusion before the NFP news candle. So I'm hoping for this to go up and hit the target. But as we just have 3 more minutes, I was hoping for the target to be captured before the NFP candle. But as we are just 3 minutes away from the candle, I'll just, or we can take the risk. Let's keep it this way. It is risk it for the biscuit. Generally what happens is whenever the price, whatever the move is before the news candle, it goes in the opposite direction. Now as we see, the price is coming down. So generally, this is not the standard rule. Generally, as the price is now coming down, which is like 2 minutes before the news candle, as it is coming down, the news will be in the favor of gold. All right, 30 seconds more. Let's see what happens. This move should be very crucial. Let's see if it breaks the chart towards the upside or the downside. I'll probably remove the target because you can get good targets. You probably want to have safer side stop loss, but not target, because if it gives the target, wow, 3, 2, 1, go. Where is it? Where is it? Ooh, damn. Damn. Sniper. So I'll close the trade. This was good. We win.